The pH of the soil is found when you do a soil analysis or get a pH reading from the soil. The pH will tell you the amount of acidity that is in the soil. Some soils are acidic and some soils are alkaline. If your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, the nutrients in that soil won't even be available for the plant to use. How much direct sunlight does the lawn get throughout the growing season? During the winter time, this can be deceiving since the trees typically drop their leaves and allow way more sunlight through. Different turf grasses definitely perform better than others depending on the amount of sunlight that they receive. You know, a well-balanced fertilizer program will make all the difference in the world how your lawn looks. Fertilizer is the food for your lawn, and like any other living thing, these lawns need that food to survive. Having a fertile soil will not only allow your turf grass to thrive, but also to fight out unwanted weeds. A general rule of thumb is to never mow more than 1/3 of the grass blade on each lawn mowing. But when you get started, like this time of the year, and the cold weather is out of the way, you can cut your warm season grasses down a little bit lower. This allows for more direct sunlight to hit the soil surface, which in return heats it up, and then in return allows your grass to green up a little quicker. But did you know that too much water actually causes more plant deaths than not watering enough? So being able to get water off your lawn is as important or more important as how to get water on it. Drainage issues contribute to the many challenges that we face on lawns. From soil compaction, weeds, insects, and disease pressure, too much water will make all of these issues just that much worse. Here are our turf grasses and the average amounts of sunlight that each one requires. Bermuda grass, 8 to 10 hours of sunlight a day. Zoysia, 4 to 6 hours. Fescue, about 2 to 4. St. Augustine, 4 to 6 hours. And centipede grass, 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. And take note, all soils are not created equal. And that's why all lawns don't look the same. One neighbor's lawn on this side of the road gets this kind of response. Maybe right next door to it, this lawn gets a totally different response. You know, this could be a direct reflection of something going on beneath the soil surface. Out of sight, out of mind, right? I don't think so. Not under our watch.